Today we're going to show you how to create a pumpkin in Illustrator. First, we're going to start with the ellipse tool. Adding a stroke can help you see the different shapes. And I like to duplicate them and use Shift Option to keep them in line, and then arrange them properly. And there you've got your basic shape of a pumpkin. Next, we're going to work on styling it. So we're going to adjust our stroke. You can do it individually, or you can end up selecting all of them and doing it at once. Next, we're going to add a gradient. And we'll use my colors that I have set up there. And we're going to add the gradient to our swatch panel. And there we go. Next, I'm going to duplicate the shape again, and I'm going to use the Pathfinder tool with the shape mode of exclude to create a shape from the stroke. And I'm going to use this to highlight the edges of each shape. And then I'm going to duplicate this to cover each of the ovals that we have set up, and I'm going to arrange them accordingly. All right, now I'm just going to center the pumpkin, and we're going to work on the stem. I'm going to use the brush tool. You can get that just by pressing the B key. And I'm going to just draw the shape of the stem and give it some color. And then I'm going to use the smooth tool to make it look a lot better, take out a lot of the points so it's a lot smoother. There we go. As you can see, you can make it look pretty good really quickly without precision using the smooth tool. I'm going to add a gradient to that stem as well. And there you have it. You have a nice pumpkin. And next I'm going to work on doing the face, the pumpkin face. So I like to use the pen tool. With it you can create your shapes really quickly. Easy to do triangles and even some ovals. And next I'm going to draw the teeth. And then I'm going to use the Pathfinder tool to subtract the top from the bottom. And there we go. And then next we're going to duplicate each of these shapes to create the highlight so it looks more 3D. And then I'm going to use the Shape Builder tool to subtract the areas that we don't need. Here we go, Shape Builder, and hold Option when using the tool to subtract. So we're just going to do the same thing on each of these shapes. Get rid of the excess. and you'll see how it comes together here. Then next we're going to select the shape that's on the bottom, because there's two shapes there, and we're going to change the color so it looks like it's 3D. You'll see with my final product, I ended up actually even going with the lighter orange, the lightest orange color, which you don't see in the video. And finally, we'll create a shadow, again with the oval shape and some transparency. And there you have it. Easy pumpkin in Illustrator. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this.